Hey guys, it's Matt from Foamy Car Care. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble Foamy Car Care's Underbody Blaster. The Underbody Blaster kit includes the unit itself. We got 3 extension poles, one with a 90-degree bend in it, 8 pressure washer nozzles, 2 turbo jets, as well as a pressure washer adapter that's compatible with your pressure washer. Step 1, we're going to connect the pressure washer adapter with the quick release. Don't forget to apply the Teflon tape that's provided in the kit. When you're applying Teflon tape onto a pressure washer adapter, ensure you're wrapping the threads in a clockwise direction, the same as you would be screwing the quick release onto the adapter. This prevents the Teflon tape from coming undone. Step 2, we gotta adjust the pin lock so that the quick connector is facing away from the logo. To achieve this, simply pull the pin lock and turn the quick connector until it clicks into place. Step 3, we're gonna choose 4 pressure washer nozzles of your choice and install it onto the Underbody Blaster. Step 4, now that we've got the pressure washer nozzle attached onto the Underbody Blaster, we're going to connect these extension poles onto the unit itself. To do this, we're going to connect the 2 straight poles onto the back of the unit first, and then we're going to connect the extension pole with the 90-degree bend on it. Step 5, we're going to connect the pressure washer adapter with the quick release on it onto the pressure washer gun, then connect the gun onto the Underbody Blaster. Now your Underbody Blaster is assembled, you're good to go and tackle all that dirt and grime underneath your vehicle. Thanks for watching.